I've always liked working with numbers. Spreadsheets, figures, financial information, and I'm on cloud 9. I like being able to look at something complex, make sense of it, and then explain it in a way that someone else can understand. That's what drew me to studying accounting and finance at the Open University.
Accounting and finance helps you understand how money shapes decisions. Whether you are looking at a business, a charity, or another kind of organization, the numbers can show what is really happening. Accounting and finance gives you the knowledge to interpret that information and see the story behind the figures.
I've been to university before, but now I'm in a different time in my life. I've got work, 4 children, and other commitments to fit around study. With the Open University, I can study part-time. The learning's online and I can access the materials whenever I've got spare time. You're not just doing it completely on your own. There are other students going through it all too. People share questions, encourage each other, and help you keep going when something feels difficult. That's what made it feel possible.
You can come to accounting and finance from different starting points. You might have some experience in finance, or you might be learning the subject for the first time. With online learning and tutor support, you are not expected to arrive with all the answers.
You don't get everything thrown at you at once. You might start with the basics, a balance sheet, an income statement, a budget, but then it becomes a bit more detailed. You look at things like the costs, the income, profit, how the different parts of a business connect. Bit by bit, the subject starts to make sense.
So, you are not only learning accounting principles in theory. You are learning how financial information is used in real organizational situations. That is where the subject becomes valuable. It helps you move from calculation to interpretation.
I think studying accounting and finance changes how you look at the information. You start to see the meaning behind the figures. That's the bit that I find really interesting. It's not just doing the numbers. It's being able to communicate what the numbers mean. You might understand something quite complex, but then you have to break it down so that other people can use it. And that's the real skill.
That confidence is important. Students develop analysis, communication, problem solving, and financial decision making. You may want to progress professionally. You may want to develop in your current role. Or you may simply want to understand the financial side of organizations more clearly. Accounting and finance can give you skills that are useful across different industries, different organizations, and different career paths. But if you are interested in a professional route, the degree is accredited by professional accounting bodies, which give students exemptions from certain professional exams. So, whether you want to progress professionally or simply understand financial information more deeply, Bachelor of Science in Accounting and Finance at the Open University Business School can give you a strong foundation.
Ready to understand the numbers behind business and finance and how they shape success? Then explore studying accounting and finance at the Open University.